Hi guys, Martin Unix here, and welcome again. It's another beginner's style. That is, I'm going to show you on how to do braid bun. That is, I'm going to do 3-section braid bun. It's a beginner's style, guys. It's a quick style. In fact, you can try it at home. You can also try it at the salon if you are a beginner. It will guide you through your styling journey as you try to improve your stylings thereafter. So I'm also going to do a crown at the front. That is, I'm going to leave some few strands just to manage my forehead. So I'm going to leave 4 strands at the front. So we can as well kick off with the crown. That is now after doing the crown, guys, we are going to try and decorate our crown using some few ornaments, and this is the way to go about it. Now we are going to kick off with the bun, guys, which I've just said that it's a quick style for beginners, and it will be a braid bun, guys. And this is the way to go about it. I'm going to section the hair into 3 sections, and that is we are not going to count the strands, just by the look of the eye. Then we are going to kick off with this section. This is how you do the braid. This is how you stitch the sections together. You just kick off by going hunter using the first section, then you use the middle section to go over the first section, then you go hunter using the final section, like that, and you repeat the sequence up to the end. Remember not to be tight, guys, just to pave way for easiness as we mold our final look. Now upon reaching the hand, guys, you can try and secure the tips using yarn. Let's do this section, guys, together. Again, just for the sake of our beginners. So way to go about it. I wrap it around like that, half to the hand. Then upon reaching the hand, I'm gonna tuck it in like this, guys, that way. Then differently from the first section, the second section will be handing this far hand. Then I'm gonna pick the final section. The final section, guys, the way to go about it, like that. So you mold the style, guys, to your desired look. Now we are done, guys. You can finish off by securing your style using this yarn so that you can give your style a longer duration. It's a nice style, guys, for beginners. It's a braid bun. You can try it, guys. It's a quick style and a nice one. I hope my tutorial has been educative, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly like my work, comment positively, share, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you, guys.